Guys, I'm back today with another video. Sorry about the last video I did. It was very bad. Like explaining how the wood thing was going. Let me go grab it. So, I should have made the video before this, but this is the ending results. I know how, like, each and every one, because it's still marked, and they still have spacing between them, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I sanded off the edges, and then I got my, forgot what that thing was called, belt sander, and I sanded them down like really good. And then and then you have to turn one the other way, like say it's this way, you have to turn it this way to make it stronger. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There was 11 of them sideways. It was sticking out, and I curved it over and around and stuff like that. Yeah. And then it just keeps going back. It goes for 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 layers. 3 of them are this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 of them are that way. One is this way. I'd put the one that's this way. I'd put the one that is straight down that way directly in the middle, like I did. Yep, and so I basically got, let me get my sander stuff in here. Basically went around the edges, stuff like that, curved it into this, and then stuff. But the side that came directly like on its side, I put it up. Yeah, and then I was like, I tried to make it look more curvy than I did good. So I just left it like that. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to watch, this is part 1. If you want to watch part 2, it should be the next video that you watch. So peace. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.